Big ngayon ng theater, may bala ka bang sumubok?
I would love to, if given the time to really hone it and pag-aralan, I would love to. Lalo na kung music. Music na talaga!
Ano ba mga paborito mo?
For musicals, I would love to do Moulin Rouge.
Wow, nangarap pa talaga ng Moulin Rouge, di ba?
Role ni Nico? Yung role ni Nico?
Of course, sa team. I will love you. Or like, ano ba yung mga favorite ko? I also love My Fair Lady and The Phantom of the Opera.
Thanks. Kanina natanong sa'yo kung anong advice. Well, nasa position ka na kasi na mag-mentor, 29 years na sa industry. Meron bang young celebrity that has caught your eye? At kung makakausap mo siya, pwede mo bang i-complete yung, ituloy mo lang yung pagiging blank?
Mga young celebrities ngayon.
Maybe from PBB or kahit sino.
Yeah. You want me to name the name?
Yes.
Ay, may naming of names. Sino ba yung mga young celebrities?
Ituloy mo lang yung...
I will probably tell, sino yung mga young celebrities na naka-work ko. This year kasi halos wala ako masyado naka-work na young celebs. Please ko sa Showtime. Sino ba mga naka-work ko doon? I think, well, just because I saw Ralph De Leon earlier on Showtime, ituloy mo yung pagiging smart, eloquent, and kind. Kasi bumabati siya eh. So, diba? And he's very, like, ang galing niya magsalita na witness ko siya kanina naghuhurado, and he's also part of Why Speak, so.
Last question, anong personal or career advice ang binigay sa'yo ni Boss Vic that aged well?
Actually, it's ang sinasabi lang niya lang sa akin, mabait ka. Lagi kang mabait. Which is, naano ko naman, I practically grew up with Ninong Vic. Para na siyang daddy ko. And the one thing he told my dad, sorry, I just remembered my dad. It's like, I'll never forget what he told my dad kasi I promise I'll make your daughter into a star. And my dad was eternally grateful to Boss Vic. So, sayang lang, we were gonna plan like a, I know Ninong Vic wanted to do a contract signing kasi we're gonna renew. Even if I don't need to renew with them kasi obviously my loyalty will always be with Viva. But it would have been a great reunion with Ninong Vic and my dad. Sadly, my dad passed away earlier this year. So, yeah, sorry!
And I know kanina, natandaan ko yung sagot mo na Boss Vic really went the extra mile when you said na kahit hindi ka pa nga marunong magtagalog,
Yes.
he would cast you just to open doors for you.
Yeah. And, my dad, one of the few things my dad told me is that he kept his promise. And here I am, 29 years later, still here, and still a Viva baby.
Thanks, Thank you.
All right, fantastic. Okay, can we